Yo, you want to
You
see
stay
something
in
cool?
the truck.
No. Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.